Start preparing the rolls by making the first coating, using 3 whole eggs and 200 milliliters of yogurt. Instead of yogurt, you can use sour milk or cream. Half a teaspoon of salt, and now mix it all. I forgot the oil, add 50 milliliters and mix everything. Don't forget the oil. Next, we need about 100-150 milliliters of ketchup, add some oregano, then pour in about 100 milliliters of tomato juice. And now mix everything to make the second coating. Besides the prepared ingredients, we also need 300 to 350 grams of any hard cheese, 300 to 400 grams of ham or any salami, and 200 grams of marinated mushrooms, or you can use fresh ones. We also need 500 grams of ready-made dough. Divide the dough into 2 or 3 parts. 2 if making dinner rolls to keep them thicker. 3 if making appetizers. Here I have 3 sets of 5 dough sheets. It doesn't mean yours will be the same. Most likely it will be between 12-13 sheets. Spread some coating on the first dough sheet. Place the second sheet on top. Then spread the ketchup, tomato, oregano coating on the second sheet. Sprinkle some cheese to help everything stick together. Then place the third dough sheet. Spread the coating again. The one with eggs and yogurt. Now arrange the ham slices like this. Spread some more coating over it. Then sprinkle some more cheese. Many of you don't do it this way, but I find it helps everything stick together better and keeps the roll firm. Add some mushrooms. Divide all ingredients into 2 or 3 parts, depending on dough division. This time I divided into 3 to get smaller rolls, so you can see how they look. Once done, roll it up. Never spread filling to the edge to make rolling easier. That's it. Now transfer it to the baking tray. Where did I put the tray? Found the tray. Now just transfer the roll. Done. Now spread the remaining coating on top. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees and let the rolls rest, so the dough absorbs all the coatings, making everything juicy. Then bake them. I'll sprinkle some oregano. That's it. Baking time is 35 to 40 minutes. Let them cool.